everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jammin' with Yarn. I'd like to welcome you to my video channel, whatever. Welcome all my original, lovely, and beautiful people who always stand by me, check on me, and who's always here. And I hope all of you guys are doing well. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and coming along. I hope you stay, and I hope each and every one of you are happy, well, not happy, but healthy, and taking good care of yourself. So let's get started. This is going to be a really short one because I don't have much to show you because I didn't get much done. I've been involved in just with what's going on in the world today with this virus and trying to stay healthy and trying to work and be healthy at the same time and try not to catch this from other people. So let me show you. I have one finished object, and that is this hat. My goal was to finish 2 hats a month, and I think I've only did one. I think the other one was last month. So this is the hat. Just a regular beanie for my donations. I haven't made a scarf with it, and I guess I will. I have a little bit of yarn left, and it always should be a little short one because I like to use up the whole ball if I can. So that is, I purchased that this year at my new Joann's. This is Soft Baby Steps Red Heart, and I really do like this. You know, this would make a beautiful sweater. It is, I don't have the color, but it's a baby blue. This would make a beautiful sweater, I think. And yeah, I did it with a size 6. I start off, I think, with a 5 here, knitting needles. Then I go to a 6 and I do double strand. By the time I get here, that's why it looked thicker. And it's not thick there, but it's thicker up here on your scalp. So that is my only finished object. Then you guys know that I was working on a sweater. Well, I switched up on you guys. You knew I was because I had just got that yarn, and I really, really like this yarn. This is the, sorry. And this is all I have left. This is the color, Spun Colors. And this is the Canyon. It is 419 yards, and this is my second ball, I guess you call it. And this is the sweater. You know, I like that crazy cool crochet sweater, and so I'm working on that. Let me show you. This is what it looked like so far. Now this is inside out. This is the front, and I still have a lot to go. I was really trying to get it done. I should have worked a little bit harder, but I was working on my cross stitch. So I need to do the arms, and I need to do the front part and the neckline. This is what the front looked like, and this is what the back looked like. Now the only thing is, I wish I would have done it in a bigger needle because I want it more loose for like the summer to wear as like a duster maybe or something. But you know, I love her pattern. It's so easy. So this one here will go down to my knees, and that's what I wanted. Okay, so this is by, the pattern is Crazy Cool Crochet on YouTube, and she has a pattern you can buy on Ravelry, and that was the Spun Colors yarn. Now what I had been working on is oh y'all, okay, you guys know 2025 was, I'm gonna finish that dog because that was completely black and it was hard. So I purchased another one, which is this one here, and I finished that. So a lot of my attention went on this, and it was so relaxing. This one is a stamp cross stitch. The other one is a counted cross stitch. I like the stamp a lot easier and very relaxing. So this is what it looks like. All I have to do is wash it and put it in a frame. So that is what I spent a lot of my time on. Now let's look at some of the goodies that I got. Oh, and I didn't show you the blue yarn that's on that sweater is my favorite, Heartland. And this is, I don't have my glasses on. Still, no matter how much I squint my eyes, I still can't see. Look like Lake Clark, a number 4 yarn. So that is Heartland. That's the blue. And I'm going to finish up with that. So in the mail today, I had purchased, and I had totally forgot about it, from wish.com, these little buttons. Oh, and they have, because you know I like to put the pom-pom on it. I got 15% on my battery. Okay, so I think they have handmade with love on it, and that was from wish.com. Excuse the nails because I've been washing my hands so much and my nails are falling off. They're just, my hands, oh, they're bad. They're not bleeding like some of the people on TV that I saw are seeing. Then on the cross stitch, I had purchased this one, but I thought it was, when I got it, I thought it was a stamp, but it's a counted cross stitch, and I don't know if I want to, I'm ready for that. I think I'm going to stick with the counted, the stamp cross stitch, but that's one that needs to be done eventually. It's not that big. I still like the other one for beginner. And then I my mail from Christy Cooks. Yeah, Christy Cooks. Teadoddles. Okay, and I couldn't wait this time. My the monthly club, the Makers Club, nice bag, boxed, cherries, beautiful. Okay, excuse me, I didn't know I had that on. There we go. The inside is, I don't have my glasses, it's black design there. You guys probably already seen that. And the Bigelow, what's that, Bigelow Benefits. Oh, nice. Focus. And then the, on the back, you can see the, I tell you, my eyes are really getting to be something else. Without those glasses, I can't even find the opening. Oh, it's in the front. Okay, so one is, I think she said this was the coffee, what do you call it? The molecule for the coffee. I think that's what she said on one of hers. And then there's a monkey wrench. And the little monkey. Bad hands. Okay, so that is what I got from my Makers Club. I think that's what she called it. And if I'm saying anything wrong, forgive me. Then the other thing that I got in the mail, other little goodies I have been waiting for, and they only sent me one. My order got all mixed up because they wouldn't send it to the P.O. box. Eventually, they refunded my money from Joann's. I was waiting for the yarn for my little heart, Valentine heart lap or panel that I made. So I'm going to have to, when they open up, just go in and buy some. But I did get one puzzle yarn. I had ordered more. No, I think I did. But anyway, I only have one. Because I wanted to try it. It's 100% acrylic. And it is 328 yards. And the color is, it looked like the color say color. I think that's what the color is. So I don't know how well y'all can see that. It's pretty. Okay. The next thing that I got, Oh, let's see. I don't know who this is from that I purchased this from. Oh, I think I was totally disappointed. I tried a sample. I wish it was the, you know how we buy the little, this was from Yarn Vibes, the sample. This is yarn from Ireland. But I really would have appreciated, I don't know what happened, I really would appreciate it. That little truck that my grandson is going on for some reason. Anyway, Yarn Vibes. Excuse that noise. This thing has not, I have no idea. I don't like the way it came out. I wish they would just send it twisted, but it's already wound up. And it's wool, and it's really rough. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so that was from Yarn Vibes. I saw that on, I think it was maybe Etsy. They send a nice little, like a handmade card to say thank you. And it is wool. So that came with that. Then the other little item that I purchased was from Amanda Scott. And it was just a little enamel pen. I hope you guys can see this. I thought that was more. Okay. It's shiny. Yeah, I think right here is best. And then there's a little brown girl's knit. And it says thank you on the back from Amanda. So those are all the little things that I purchased, you guys. I hope that you guys are taking care of yourself. Be the best you can be for yourself and for other people during this time that we're living in. Try to stay safe, safe and sane. Don't go popping off like those fireworks, okay? Stay safe and sane, okay? And until next time, you guys have a wonderful day and a beautiful life. And life is precious. And let's protect each other. Take care.